3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Welcome, fellow Forex traders. Thursday morning, live Forex trading results. No one else is doing this, and certainly no one's giving away. Every free signal I give away is profitable. Everyone. Did I say every one of them? Every one of them. No one can compete. You just can't compete. So we're looking at CAD Chief Sell. Great entry. You can enter a sell right now on CAD Chief. The only weird ass anomaly that I don't know if I've ever seen is if you look here, let me turn on my pen. It's a $36 overnight swap fee. What? If someone can tell me why the hell that's happening, you got me. Now, normally I don't look at that stuff, but what was weird was I see this in 56, 45, $55 profit. It's going all over the place right now, right? Must be some news. I haven't looked. We can look. But I'm like, how is this $35 in profit and a negative $6 drawdown? Right? I'm like, what? So I looked at the swap fee. My friends, that's insane. The only thing I can say is, let me pause something here so I don't reveal something offensive. Let me pull up. Here we go. I'll share this with you. Get rid of my pen on the screen. Let's pull up the news. What do we look at? Thursday the 27th. Let's make sure my time is correct on here. It's often, yep, 11:02 a.m. So we've got British pound that went off early this morning. USD. Like, why is CAD Chief having insane... Unless there was something yesterday? Nope. So let's see what news is out tomorrow. CAD out in the morning and then USD. Honestly, I don't know. Is that true? Denise says, hold on, let me pull this up. Triple swap on Wednesday? Is it always like that? See, I don't pay attention to the fees and stuff because I'm like, the robot does the math. My my algorithm does the math, and we just profit in the end. That's just the weirdest thing. Anyway, I don't want to lean too much on it. Come back here. So free signal. CAD Chief sell. Enter it. If you look at the chart here, we got a ways to go. I'm looking at the 4 hour. Let's see if we can come down a little bit. 4 hours is probably the best zoom. And so we're up here. We're going to the take profit right here. Good to go. If it goes against us, it goes against us. We'll mathematically scale in. That's why I suggest that if you take these trades and you enter a bid, do something realistic with the expectation, the potential that we will scale into this trade with additional trades. We don't just double the lot size every time. We don't do that. But you you will see that I do increase the lot size as I move forward, through a basket of trades. So pretty straightforward. History-wise, nothing has closed overnight in terms of the free signals. Market's a little bit slow in that respect. However, for the week, we have $4,670.49 closed. Pretty impressive for free signals. You could make a lot of money using my free signals. Once you realize you can do that, you can make triple that if you subscribe to the full auto system. I don't know why you wouldn't do that, right? Probably the best return on investment I've ever seen in anything on the internet. So that's it. Free signal. Pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. I see we got. I see some people making some comments here. So let me do something. What are we looking at next here? Doug says CoinX is a way lower swap fee. Yeah, every broker's different. It's all different. I don't mind the swap fee. Just seemed a little odd, right? Just seemed a little odd. Let's go look at the 10 pip hybrid, the main conservative automated feed that I send out to you guys. Let's take a look at it right here. We've got 3 trades open across 2 currency pairs. 2 of the 3 are in blue. And history-wise, I will show you what has closed. So as far as the 10 pip hybrid feed, $166. What's interesting is Euro USD was pushing really nice. And it got out. I just feel like it wanted to get out of that. It didn't really like the movement per se. So it took some profit there. Let's take a look at, so we had a $19 swap fee, a $25 swap fee, and a $25 swap fee. Those seem high. They seem really high. If I go to, let's go to the week history. Let's go back. Let's go back to like this. That was a $25 swap fee. I'm just kind of randomly looking. Like, look at this. Euro JPY. Obviously no swap fee because it traded all in one day. So yeah. I don't know. Maybe all of a sudden it's like, you buy a yellow Corvette and then you see yellow Corvettes everywhere. I'm just paying attention to it now. So for the week, $10,655.80 on the 10 pip hybrid. Depends on what you bid. You can bid whatever you want. I'll give you an example. Here's my basic reference. If I'm giving you a winning trade or a basket of trades on the same currency pair that end in a positive net profit, if I'm always giving you that, if it doesn't lose, all you have to bid is realistically for your account. That's it. You can bid whatever you want, but bid realistically for your account. I will tell you this. Compared to my entire algorithm, just by the dynamics of the fact that we are only using a subset of the 22 currency pairs inside of the main 10 pip hybrid feed, just by that fact you could bid more because you're not taking 22 pairs. In this case, we're taking 3 currency pairs on at this particular time. I have 6 different groups of pairs. I've taken the 22 pairs, split them up into 6 groups. One of them has 4. The rest of them have 3 pairs. Right? So we're trading any given group at any given time. But you can bid whatever you want. That's what's cool about this. And if you bid 10 cents and made $1, you could have bid $10 and still had a profit. Like, no matter what you bid, it's going to be profitable. It's just that you have to, and you want to practice a little bit, bid for what your account can handle. So that's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Those are the results. Let's see here. I'm going to pause and we'll look at the overall system. Going to be short and sweet this morning. Results, positive results or positive results. Now, I'm going to show you the entire algorithm. Let me take a look at it before I show it on the screen here. We're at about 2.5 dozen trades. No need to show you those, but I will show you today's closed results from the entire algorithm. $482.07, looking damn good. Scale up to the week, $24,149.28. Again, you can take this exact same trade and bid whatever you want. If you're taking the free signal, you can enter any time before that trade takes profit. And you can see where the take profit is on the mobile chart. Like if we go here and we're looking at this CAD Chief, you can see that the take profit's right here. You can see where it's at. And we're in sell trade, so it just has to move in that direction. Obviously, there's some blank space here in between the take profit and where the price is. Enter your sell trade. You'd be crazy not to do that. This system is simple. You don't have to enter at any given price. Direction is key. Take profit level is key. That's it. When the system adds more trades on a currency pair, pay attention to what its bid size is. 1.0 is one base lot size for whatever your account is. You got a $10 account, don't bid more than 10 cents. You got a $100,000 account, you bid $10, right? Whatever you want to do. So, Derek says profit is profit is profit. 0.01 cents or $1,000. So, here's the deal. The overall algorithm looking really good. We'll scale up to the month. It's going to be pretty impressive. $206,240.72 closed. Hey, this is this is the account that you're looking at. It's obviously a large account, so I can just continue it rolling. But these are the exact same trades that get sent to your account. What did you bid? Bid something realistic for yourself. I know I'm leaning on that a lot, but we got a lot of new people, and people don't understand how this works. It is not any harder than entering in the direction my system gives you. Scaling up if my system scales up. If it goes into a trade, I mean, look, most of these, if you scroll back here, are at a base level lot size, 1.0. Once in a while, it has to scale up. If we come back here, let's see if, you know what? I'm not seeing any. Here's a trade that scaled up. Here's a trade that scaled up. But you would know that. 4.00, that means if you bid 10 cents, you need to start bidding 40 cents on those entries. Because it doesn't matter what price you enter. It matters the direction, and it matters the take profit level. That's it. Pretty simple stuff. So, quick update. I'm being transparent, okay? I'm always trying to add other things. I told you I'm not happy with how metals and indices are moving right now. My gold scalper account has to be completely, and it's testing. I'm testing it only. I'm gonna share you the results. It is not doing what I want it to do. Let me just kind of tell you what the settings are. So I'm scalping gold. Excuse me. You know what? 3-4 weeks I've been fucking sick. I'm still coughing in the morning. So I'm scalping the 1 minute chart, gold. I'm scaling into the trades. I'm going for $75 profit a day. And all week, we were nearly back to break even because I had the system take a 5% loss, $500. And it ended up doing it again. So I don't think this is, given my settings, 1 minute chart, scalping, $75 a day, it's still taking a hit. Because guess what? We can go look at the gold chart, which we will. So stand by, let me show you this. So it is currently, and again, this is a test. I'm not putting this out to the public. It is currently 3 trades in, okay? It's scaled in at 0.05, 0.08, 0.11. However, it has taken the max daily loss that I set it at $564. It had promise, and this is why you test. This is the reality of Forex trading when you are messing with an automated system. You don't control the market. Let's go look at the gold chart, and I'll kind of show you what's going on here. So here's the 4 hour, and here's essentially what happened. If you look at the history, it was selling. Come back here. It was selling all the way down here. We got a huge push, and then a massive pullback. And it hit what I had set in the system, the equity, max equity loss of 5%. It hit that, took it, and frankly, I'm showing you this because this is the reality. I want this to work. Typically, this shit does not work. That's why my algorithm that we have working right now is so played with and perfected, and it does so well. Nothing comes even. Nothing I've tested in the last 2-3 years, 2 years at least, has come anywhere close to what my algorithm can do. Nothing. So sometimes I sit back and go, all right, Terry, give up looking for, the Holy Grail. You own it, and capitalize on it and focus on it and put less time in testing and resources and all this stuff, put more time into bringing people in to this system. So that's kind of what's going on in my head. I'm going to do some tweaks to the gold scalper at this point because you're scalping with, look at these movements. Look at this. Huge push down. Then it goes sideways. Huge push down. And then it recovers everything all in one day, right? That is such volatile movement that you just it's designed to take people out. Like, the market makers are making money off of your losses, is what it is. So I don't want to be the guy that's trying to have 70 different profitable feeds. We have a really, really nice system. Yes, I do continue to test stuff in the background, but the more and more I test and the more I look, the less I see that's worthy of it, right? I basically was taking my algorithm from standard currency pairs and putting it on gold, and it's more of it's like an emotional thing. People just fucking love gold. Why? Because it will make a lot of movement and make a lot of money. The reality is it makes a lot of movement and you lose a lot of money. Not many, the standard currency pairs are just not this volatile, this much. It's just not. What we're looking at over here was last week, and this is this week. Just massive, massive movement. So I'm not happy with it. I got it running. I'll probably go do a few tweaks to it, but I don't see it. Honestly, I don't see it working out, and I just want to be transparent with you. Yeah, that's it. That's what I got for the week. Go back, focus on what really works, right? Which is my main algorithm. And yeah, I'll just leave it at that. It's pretty straightforward. So Thursday, June 27th, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Friday, end of the week. We've had a great week. Extremely profitable, stable, steady, less than mediocre, medium volume this week. But steady as she goes. So that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.